Eurostar are the high-speed passenger rail service. Runs services from London to Paris, Brussels, Lille, down to the south of France and beyond through connections. We have 1,800 employees. A lot of our staff are mobile. They're travelling on the trains, either driving or as managers. The move to the cloud changes the team's role quite significantly. We become less technology focused and much more business focused, and we become much more sort of vendor management and governance, and this is where the whole security piece becomes a bit of a challenge, because the more vendors that you engage with and the different types of applications that the business are buying, bigger that security challenge becomes.
One of the problems with shadow IT is that a lot of systems are bought and provisioned using personal accounts. We've got no control over those accounts. If someone leaves, they leave with their personal account, they've still got access to our corporate data. We had lots of different systems that people were going out and buying and then coming to us and saying, great, can you make this work really easily? And the overhead for managing the users internal to those systems was quite significant. It became clear early on that we needed to look at enterprise single sign-on.
We looked at a couple of products out in the marketplace, and I think the approach that was taken with Okta and the clear ease of deployment, we spoke to different companies, the existing customers of Okta and of the competitors, and we felt that after seeing it, understanding it from a technical point of view, our security team reviewed it and understood it from a security point of view, that it was the right product for us.
There's lots of security benefits that we're getting from Okta. Everything's in AD and it's surfaced through Okta. It's much more secure. That's changed the way that we manage application provision and data access immensely. When someone joins the organisation now, they automatically get the apps and data associated with that department. If they change departments and they're modified in the HR system, they get access to the new information in box and they lose access to the old information in box. When they leave the organisation and we deprovision their AD account, they lose access to all of their cloud systems. We
don't need to use ADFS anymore. The old ADFS implementation was only for Salesforce. It only worked internally. It was difficult to support. It was quite messy and becoming quite expensive. So we've managed to completely replace that with Okta. The guys at the station at times of disruption means that they can help passengers there and then, because they can just grab an iPad, they can sign into Okta, they can get all the details that they need to do, and they've got the applications in front of them. Every department and every user in one way or another uses and touches Microsoft Office 365. We're going to be pushing the multi-factor authentication as the front end for mobile devices and any device that's off our network. And it's only with a product like Okta that enables us to do that.
The entire AD import took less than a day, and then provisioning all the accounts for the whole organisation in Box was done, I think, the following day. It was great.
As we rolled out Box, we were able to push Okta out, and we also were able to bring the Salesforce platform into Okta, and that's what's given us the easy experience for logging on from within our network. Box and Okta worked seamlessly together for us. You know, it was the first application that was put through the Okta portal, and because that tight integration worked so well, it gives us the confidence to be able to use Okta for other applications. Our tagline for IT and generally across the business at Eurostar is that we want to make everything delightfully easy. We want to make everything delightfully easy for our customers, we want to make things delightfully easy for our staff, and that includes the IT systems. And putting everything in one place and making everything through single sign-on using Okta ticks that box.